In this video, I will talk about whether Cash App can be usable in Pakistan or not. Unfortunately, no, Cash App doesn't work in Pakistan. Cash App is only available in the US and the UK. It requires a phone number, debit card, and bank account from either the US or UK. It does not support international transfer to or from Pakistan. You cannot download it from the Pakistani App Store or Google Play without switching regions, which still won't allow full functionality. If you are in Pakistan and looking for similar services, consider EasyPaisa, JazzCash, SadaPay, or Nayapay. These local services offer mobile wallet features, money transfer, bill payments, and more. So, lastly, I can say that Cash App doesn't allow its features or functionality in Pakistan. You rather choose the alternatives I mentioned. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.